Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this simple rivet gun into a powerful, versatile tool for something entirely different. I'm using a rivet gun to screw in rivets, but the rivet gun is broken. Instead of throwing it away, I'm going to reuse it. I'm starting by disassembling this old rivet gun. I need to take it completely apart to access its internal mechanisms and prepare it for our modification. I'm removing all the pins, springs. This meticulous disassembly is crucial for understanding how the original tool functions and how we can adapt it for our new purpose. Now, I'm taking a copper pipe. Copper is excellent for electrical conductivity and heat transfer, which will be essential for our project. I'm measuring and marking a section, which will form the core of our new component. I'm using an angle grinder to carefully cut the copper pipe at my marked line. Now I have my piece of copper pipe. I have a thick piece of wire from a spot welding machine, and I'm using a utility knife to strip off its outer insulation. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm tightly twisting the copper wire inside and threading it through the cut copper pipe. After securing the wires inside the copper pipe, I'm flattening it with a hammer. This creates a broader, more stable surface for electrical contact and allows it to fit snugly into the rivet gun's body. I'm securing the flattened copper piece in a vise. I'm marking precise points for drilling holes. I'm drilling holes into the copper piece, which will allow us to bolt it securely into place inside the rivet gun. Now, I'm using the angle grinder again to smooth out the edges of the drilled copper piece. This prevents any sharp burrs that could interfere with assembly or cause issues with electrical connections. With our custom copper piece ready, I'm carefully placing it back into the rivet gun's main body. It needs to align perfectly with the original screw holes to ensure a tight fit. This copper piece will serve as a vital electrical pathway. I'm securing the copper plate in place using the original screws. A tight connection is paramount for good electrical conductivity. I'm using a piece of plastic tubing to wrap around the copper pipe. Now, for insulation and safety, I'm wrapping the entire handle of the rivet gun with red electrical tape. This will prevent any accidental shorts or shocks during operation. I'm making sure to wrap it tightly and thoroughly, creating a protective barrier around the modified internals. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm trying to attach the welding rod to the tip of the welding machine to make sure it's securely fixed. I have a large bolt, which I'm going to repurpose into a useful tool. I'm welding a screw from a rivet gun onto the head of the bolt. After welding it securely, I'm attaching the bolts to the electric drill. I'm securing the angle grinder to the vise. I'm sharpening a bolt in an electric drill with an angle grinder to meticulously create a pointed tip. This pointed tip from the bolt becomes a slag hammer used to clean weld seams after welding. I'm taking the time to achieve a perfectly sharp edge. Now I'm using a gas torch to heat the pointed end of the bolt until it glows red. This high temperature is essential for the hardening process. It brings a metal to a critical temperature, preparing it for rapid cooling. Immediately after heating, I'm dipping the hot, homemade slag hammer into a bowl of oil. This rapid cooling process hardens a metal, making it extremely durable and wear-resistant. You can see smoke and hear a sizzling sound, indicating that the hardening process has been successful. To remove solder residue, I'm attaching a homemade wire brush to my rivet gun. The broken rivet gun has been repurposed into a 3-in-1 device. Let's test it out. I'm taking a sturdy metal bar and marking a line on it. This will be our target for the test. I'm attaching a welding rod to the rivet gun. Watch when I touch the tip of the welding rod to the metal bar. The sparks fly, and the metal begins to melt instantly. This transformation from a simple rivet gun into a miniature spot welder is truly amazing. Look at how it fuses a metal, creating strong, localized welds. After high-intensity welding, I use a slag hammer made from a bolt to tap the welds. Watch as the welds chip away, revealing the metal underneath. I can even clean the weld area with a multi-purpose wire brush from a rivet gun to remove excess material. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.